Hey Scratchers! Welcome back to Fun with Scratch, the place where we turn science into stories and code into magic. Today we are going to create something super cool, a water cycle simulator, ready to make the rainfall and the sunshine with just a few blocks. Let's go! First of all, we have to be choose find backdrop. So we have to go upload backdrop. I have in my file. Okay, this is the fine backdrop. Here you can see there is a grass here, so we have to remove this grass and just color it. So we have to take this color and remove this grass with the let's go to sun animation. When the green flag clicked, let's make the sun move across the sky. After the code, we have to release one message through broadcast. After the sun, we have to make a sprite of sun rays. So go to the sprite and take this arrow. There are four costumes, so we have to choose this downward costume, and we have to change the color according to the sun rays. I think like this. See, okay. So this is a fine. So let's code with some. Okay, on the last sun, we have to broadcast one message sun rays. So from there, here we start with when I receive sun rays, go to 260 and 88. So this is the position. We have to take some decrease size 50. Okay, fine. So this is the position of sun rays. Start with here and broadcast one message, the new message for the new upcoming sprite evaporation. Okay, so let's do it. trace sprite is showing, so you have to be the invisible like this. So this is the perfect animation of sun rays. Here's the quote. When the sun touches the lake, let's see water turning into vapor. So we have to be taking a sprite. This one. Go to costume and take this upward. Now come quote. So once I receive evaporation, after that release broadcast the next stage, that is condensation for upcoming sprite. Actually, I'm designing this clone into 3 times. So 3 clones of himself. So first of the clone myself and is placed on 5 and 128 minus 128, and another one is clone myself and the place is just 35 steps to the right, x equal to 35 and 28, and the last one is sorry 45 plus 35 40, and 40 plus 35 75. Okay, and just give a weight of 0.5, and the last is for given forever. So once I receive start as a clone, so when I start as a clone, show change so actually this arrow, actually the size of this arrow should be 20. The arrow is going upwards, it means the direction of y is going changing with a positive of 5. So change the direction of y is positive 5, and if this arrow is touch any cloud in here, so before that we have to we have to take one cloud like this, and the name of this is cloud 1. So when this arrow strikes with this cloud, it deletes itself. So when there is a condition, so if touch the cloud 1, it's delete the clone itself, and the loop forever comes in this scenario. So see, actually the position of this cloud will determine the next step. So I want to see that the function of the arrow is going within a right direction. Yes, the right direction, but this arrow is visible here, so you can hide it here from this option. Okay, so when I see this cloud, okay, so the arrow will just strike with this cloud is hidden itself. Now, so when I receive evaporation, we have to release the broadcast condensation. So next step is so come with this cloud sprite, and this is the condensation process where this cloud will increase its size. So when the clean flagged, it have to be set a size of 60%. When it receive condensation process, it will increase the size by 20. So let's put change size by 20. Okay, so now it's time to broadcast the precipitation. So go to events and broadcast new message is precipitation. Precipitation. Precipitation means raining. So we have to take a raindrop sprite. The sprite is not in the Scratch library, so we have to upload from the file. I will give the details of this sprite file in the description, don't worry. So the size of this drop is very big, so set to 20 is fine. So once I receive the precipitation, when I receive the precipitation, the drop should go to minus negative of 91 and 133 and make a clone of this drop into 3 times. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. More videos, more learning. Subscribe now.